Martina, the council to go on page 15.
Okay.
Council?
Hi, Frank. Morning. You ready? Morning. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Ramirez. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and you're a $2,000 fine. We're going to do a probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to remain attorney present if you cannot afford them. Refund you.
Thank you, John. On April 17th, 2025, Harris County, Texas, an officer observed a pickup truck change lanes without using the turn signal. The officer observed the vehicle change lanes twice prior to initiating the traffic stop. The officer approached and observed the defendant to be the driver and sole occupant of the vehicle. The officer noted a strong odor of alcoholic beverage emanating from the defendant. The defendant was ID'd by a Texas driver's license. The defendant stated he did not know how to provide proof of financial responsibility. As the defendant responded to the officer's questions, the officer noted an odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from his defendant's breath. Standard field sobriety.
All right, here we go. Another day, another DWI case. But this one's about to take a turn from serious to straight-up comedic courtroom gold. Let's see how this plays out.
Tests were conducted. A 6 out of 6 was reported on 8 p.m. And the defendant stated he could not perform the walk and turn or the one-leg swing. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused to provide breath or blood voluntarily. The blood warrant was obtained, the defendant's blood was drawn.
Yeah, very sharp. Okay, first of all, Judge, the reason it's not on there for some reason. He told the officer he can't do it because he had discerned he was driving.
Classic. The no-turn signal stop. The gateway to half of all DWI cases. But remember, failing to signal might start the stop. It doesn't prove intoxication. This is where the officer has to build probable cause brick by brick.
Secondly, there's no mention of any slurred speech, no brush on eyes, no swaying.
Yeah, see, I was actually thinking about it as well. All you have is an odor of alcohol. And there's no accident. It's just a turn. All we have is an odor of alcohol. Is there anything else? The odor alone is insufficient.
No, he was kind of from a tattoo shop. Police officer asking.
Is he what?
He was acting out too. Dog. It's just been over about.
Come on.
I'm just saying. The officer actually asked him a question.
The little out.
Now, this is key. The HGN test, or horizontal gaze nystagmus, checks for involuntary eye jerks caused by alcohol. 6 out of 6 means maximum clues of impairment. But here's the twist. Those results can be unreliable if the suspect has fatigue, a strain, or even medical issues.
Alcohol that's put in your skin, you tell me that?
I don't know how it works.
You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
Yeah, the law structure does say when he does the is the distinct odor of alcohol beverage really from his breath.
Alright, yeah, that's it.
We have the fourth issue sinners was
That's not enough. Alright, I'm gonna find.
Boom. That's the defense move. If someone physically can't perform sobriety tests, the results are meaningless. You can't expect a guy with bad knees to stand on one leg like he's auditioning for Karate Kid.
No probable cause in your case, Mr. Ramirez. You know, we have enough death on our streets now. You know, $40. One button will get you a car wherever you want to go in this life. You know what I mean? Use it. All right, please. Thank you.